Hello everybody, I'm Patricia Eniwa Enchi and you are welcome to the Let's Talk Weather program brought to you by the Ghana Meteorological Agency. If this is your first time joining us, welcome and I hope you stay with us. In this week's episode, we're going to be taking a look at what to expect from the weather for the week ahead. Please stay with us. Welcome back. Our guest for today is Miss Deborah Echampo, a meteorologist stationed at the Central Analysis and Forecasting Office. She is going to tell us what to expect from the 7th to the 12th of May 2024. Welcome, Deborah.
Thank you, Pat.
Okay, so on Monday, which was the 6th of May, we experienced a storm and it caused quite a bit of damage. Could you tell us what led to that?
All right, okay, so thank you. So right from Sunday night, we observed the storm over Nigeria and, it lingered on. The conditions were favorable. It continued right through Benin, Togo, until it got to us early Monday morning. So we had very good conditions to support these rainfall activities. And that's why it not only, just gave us rain, but also gusty winds, which caused so much havoc around there. Yeah, so that's what happened. Right from Nigeria, we had the storm tracking until it got to our country to give us these rains and the gusty winds we saw.
I hope a weather warning was issued.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, that's great. Those of you who follow us, I'm quite sure you saw the warning and you were able to prepare adequately for the storm. Okay, now Deborah, could you tell us what to expect for the week ahead?
All right, thank you. So we are looking at midweek into the weekend, right? Good. So what we should know is that we have rainfall for the forecast, right, from midweek into weekend. So for the southern sector, the midweek you're looking at areas around the middle sector mostly, and also areas around slightly north and the coastline. Mostly we're looking at areas around the west coast for the midweek. And for the northern sector, we expect to have rainfall with thundery activities as well. For these areas. Moving into the weekend, we expect to even have wider coverage of rainfall activities over the southern sector, but relaxed rainfall conditions for the northern sector. Looking at the sunny conditions, because of the rains we're expecting, we would have sun fine in the daytime, but then we'll still have some lingering clouds and all that. Yeah, so let's know that. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that information. So now, what advice and tips would you give to first the general public, and then our drivers, our farmers, and those of us who are pedestrians who walk by the roadside and all of that? What advice would you give to us? What tips would you give to us on how to deal with these upcoming weather conditions, the ones that we're experiencing now and the ones that are ahead of us?
All right, okay, so mist and foggy patches are expected for the forest and mountainous areas. Due to that, drivers that use these roads should watch out for that, because you're going to have very poor visibilities over there. And so pedestrians as well should watch it, when crossing these roads. They should be very careful because of the, poor visibilities. Farmers should get, good support for their plants because of the gusty winds we are going to expect to see the storms or the rainfall activities. And if possible, tap some rainfall. Don't let the rain just, get through your farm and be wasted away. Just try and get some irrigation systems to get some water for your farm. And everyone out there, get umbrellas, get raincoats as you step out there. And the sunny conditions we're expecting this week will have a little bit reduced as compared to the last week. Notwithstanding, we shouldn't get so heavy clothes out there. Good clothes that will be able to help, maintain or help you to be in good shape or good condition for the weather that we are expecting. So that's what I can say. And also, get yourself a water bottle or something. Hydrate yourself, to keep your skin good and your body system too very good. So drink a lot of water, very important. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that information. It was wonderful having you with us once again. Okay, thank you very much for staying with us to the end of this week's episode. Please remember to take your umbrellas and raincoats because we're going to be experiencing a lot of rain within the week, and the umbrellas will not only protect you from the rain, but it can also protect you from the sun. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share this video because someone out there might also need it. And please let us know if you would like to sponsor us by contacting 050-154-3832. 050-154-3832. And until we meet again, this has been the Let's Talk Weather program, brought to you by the Ghana Meteorological Agency. Thank you.